President? Sir, the Times says that you have not approved. It says you have. Who's right?
Sam, no questions for press opportunity.
Just kind of an important subject here.
Vice please, thank you.
Because these are all our own people here, that are in here, not the press. Important that we consider the relationship between our two countries, and we wanted to continue that way in the international scene. And we're watching with great interest the moves that you've been making toward reform and so forth in your economy, which will be helpful to us in this relationship too, in dealing with our Congress on the Hill.
Well, Mr. President, first of all, I would like to express my gratitude and smiling for my education, your immigration to a great country, and also the atmosphere very friendly, the atmosphere great in which we arrived.